Hello world, welcome to another hair tutorial. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary and I hope you subscribe to this channel and enjoy all the good stuff. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this minimalistic bridal hairstyle. So keep on watching. So the first thing I did was combed her hair, and now I'm trying to like give it this middle pattern because we're going for a middle pattern. We just want everything to be all back with the middle pattern. So I'm just using my shine and jam to make sure the pattern is neat. Yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just going to go ahead and like just comb everything to the back and hold it very tightly. Then I'm going to use my thread to tighten the hair furthermore. I had to like double the thread, like it's in four, not double. So I don't know what to call that. Is it four pull? Anyway, let me stop joking. So I'm going to be using this gel. It looks like the Eco Styler gel, it's just a bit darker, but it still didn't make the hair dark because the extension I'll be adding to the hair is it black color one extension. It's black. So I'm going to still go ahead and use my normal petals gel, which is the black gel, to go over this because this one didn't make the hair dark the way I wanted. And I'm using this brand because it's a lot stronger than Eco Gel. So yeah, and then where I buy my hair my tools, the guy advised that I use this one instead of Eco Gel because some of my clients don't like using black gel on their hair. So that's why I got this one. You can go ahead to use any gel you want. So I'm basically just applying the gel and combing everything back, like with your whole strength. Comb everything back so you take the hair back, and then I'm going to use this brush to like smoothen everything. After I'm done, I'm going to tie the excess hair that is at the nape of her head. Yeah, so I make it very very tight. Then I think I'm going to repeat that step 2 times to make sure everything is sleek and tight. So yeah, I just use that this method I use here is the fast one because we're like rushing and working with time. But if it's a bride, I'm definitely going to section the hair and apply gel section by section. I might still teach you guys that method, or I don't know if I've shown you guys that method. So I'll still show you guys that method, the method I'm talking about. So it gives it a more sleeker look than this one. But even though this one gave me what I wanted, so it wasn't bad. Yeah, so I'm just basically applying the gel and combing it using my edge brush to also like bring back all the hair. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah. So you saw that I dried the hair after I applied the gel. So here I'm applying gel to the spots that didn't get enough gel. I'm also making the hair smoother, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry. That's basically it, easy peasy. So now I'm going to just wrap the remaining thread around the hair or cut it, either way it's fine. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the pony into a weaving, what's it called, yeah, into a, yeah, one straight weaving. So after that I'm going to go ahead to add my extension. This is the extension I'm using. It's a synthetic hair, just this Noble Gold product. You can also use Darling products, but it has to be straight. So here I'm going to use my needle and thread to like attach the tip of the hair to the head. Yeah, I could use bobby pin for this, but to avoid it falling off, I'm just going to sew the bundle on the hair. So I'm just going to sew the tip of the hair, that's the beginning of the hair and the ending of the hair, to like secure the extension. So after sewing this, the beginning, I'm just going to wrap the extension around this hair that I braided. This is like a quick hairstyle. Yeah, that is why I did not sew it from the tip of this weaving that I did. So yeah, any other way you want to do it is fine. Don't come here and tell me this is not how to do a ponytail. I'm aware of how to do a ponytail, but this is a bridal hair. Bridal hair is done. Yeah, you don't need to like start sewing from the tip because you don't have that time, except you want to like do it the night before or you start very early in the morning. But this works just fine. This is like a 30-minute hairstyle and a minimalist hairstyle. So yeah, I'm done wrapping the hair. I'm just going to sew the tip as well. I be the end, sorry. I'm just going to sew the end as well, and then I'm going to cut the thread and sew it. So after sewing it, I'm going to just go ahead and comb the hair to be very smooth. I'm also going to use my shine and jam to apply on the hair to like tame all those flyaways. Yeah, that's what I'm basically doing. After that, I'm going to still comb the hair to make sure it is smooth. Yeah. Next, I am going to fold the hair upward gently so you don't scatter the hair you just finished combing. I'm just going to gently fold it up, and you can make it a lot bigger or smaller. It just depends on you, but this is the perfect size I'm going for. So I'm just basically arranging the hair, making it nice. Then I'm going to use my bobby pin to catch the hair and her own hair. Like I'm going to like attach the extension to her head. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but the picture best describes it. I suck at describing, but yeah. So I'm going to attach the bobby pin on either side, and then I'm also going to use a third one in the middle because it didn't get all the hair, to avoid it being to avoid it scattering. So I'm going to add a third bobby pin. So after that, I'm going to bring down the hair that is on her head and then wrap it around to like hide the bobby pin that I just used. And I'm just going to basically use bobby pin again to like secure the end of the hair. It's that simple, guys. That is it about the hair. Please let me know in the comments if you want any other hairstyle. I am just, this is my era of trying out new hairstyles that I've never been taught. Fun fact, this is the first time I'm trying this hair. I just saw it on Instagram, and then the makeup artist at my studio showed me the same hairstyle that we should try it out. I didn't tell her I do not know how to do it. I just said okay. But this is, from what I understood from the hair, this is what it looks like. I don't know, I will maybe leave a picture on the screen. It might be a different method the person used, but this is just what I understood from the picture that I saw. So I'm just basically using my bobby pin to like secure all those short hairs that are sticking out, and then I'm going to use my freezing spray. You can use anyone, but I like using this Tresemme because it does the job. I don't really like using Gotubi because it gives this white cast that I don't like. That's why I like using this one. So I'm just going to spray it down to like hide those little hairs, and then I'm going to trim out any excess hair strand that I'm seeing. It's that simple. So let me know if you have any style that you want me to try out. You can send me a DM on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle on the screen, and let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Are you team no accessory or team accessory? So this is what the hair looks like without accessory, and you're going to see what the hair looks like with accessory next. We just made use of what we had. You could use a different accessory, that's fine, but this is what we had and this is what we used. So this is what she looked like after she's been made up and dressed up. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I enjoyed creating this, to be honest, and I can't wait to try out more hairstyles. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.